Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and a sophisticated all-new burgundy. Last year, we opened up a new world of possibilities for the S series, making the Galaxy S21 Ultra compatible with the S Pen. And today, we're thrilled to introduce the first Galaxy S series model ever with a built-in S Pen. Our engineers and developers ingeniously fit this pen into the hardware itself, all while maintaining high performance. The S Pen helps you work and create more efficiently and with more detail than ever. Compared to the Galaxy Note 20 and the S21 Ultra, we made this display 3 times more responsive to the S Pen, not only by making hardware improvements, but by leveraging AI too. Based on extensive analysis, we enhanced our AI-based point prediction software. Now, Galaxy S22 Ultra can better predict the next point of your S Pen, so your writing and drawing will be smoother than ever. We continuously work with our strategic partners to bring you even more integrated experiences with the S Pen. Like with Microsoft, you can enjoy a rich editing experience in Outlook. When you're responding to a long email, for example, S Pen can select a specific line and reply to that one request, making it easier to get your point across. From the seamless design to the embedded S Pen, we used our highest quality materials to create the Galaxy S22 series, including our strongest armor aluminum frame yet and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Gorilla Glass Victus Plus is on both the front and back of the device and is currently exclusive to the Galaxy S22 series. These materials protect the device, including the most frequently used part of any smartphone, the display. With the Galaxy S22 Ultra, we're bringing you an immersive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with adaptive refresh rate. It can reach up to 120 Hz for super smooth scrolling on social media and optimized viewing for video and games, and go as low as 1 Hz to save energy when you're doing something less intensive, like looking at a photo in your gallery. But what if you're out under the sun? You try to use your smartphone, but you just can't see your screen. And we've developed a new algorithm to tackle this display challenge head on. Let's take a closer look.
Introducing Vision Booster. Galaxy S22 Ultra screen has a peak brightness of 1750 nits. But simply making the screen brighter isn't enough, and it can sometimes result in a loss of details. Vision Booster is a unique solution that significantly improves display visibility by considering the light intensity of the surroundings and its influence on the display. Vision Booster's algorithm analyzes the histogram data of all content appearing on the display, inspecting each pixel's value. Then, it performs tone mapping to adjust the display, making dark areas brighter and colors richer, maximizing color contrast for a sharper picture, even under direct sunlight. You'll see a tangible increase in viewing quality. Vision Booster will help enhance your display, whatever lighting conditions you're faced with. It's the result of a balanced alliance between optimized hardware and intelligent software that automatically adapt to your ever-changing environment.
Thanks to the all-new Vision Booster algorithm, Galaxy S22 Ultra has our most advanced display yet. It enriches the viewing experience, even in bright conditions, including direct sunlight. The core power of any smartphone is in its processor. The Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a powerful 4nm processor, our fastest chip ever. That means you get phenomenal processing and graphics and peak machine learning performance, which unlocks powerful AI across the Galaxy S22 Ultra experience. And we work to regulate the temperature of the Galaxy S22 while maintaining its powerful performance. Let's take a look.
Our smartphones are incredibly powerful. The more powerful the technology, the more energy it requires. And this energy is usually converted to heat. It requires innovations in heat transfer technology, which is based on the principle of moving energy away from a heat source and spreading it out to maintain a controlled temperature. Galaxy S22 Ultra is equipped with an all-new structure made with new materials that deliver optimized heat dissipation. To make this possible, we improved each part of our heat solution. Starting with the thermal interface material, a substance that improves heat transfer between surfaces. Our latest TIM was developed using a new, thicker type of gel to conduct heat faster. We call it the Gel TIM. Above the Gel TIM is the Nano TIM, which shields electromagnetic interference from the AP. It's made with a new flexible nanofiber material, which is more resistant under pressure when compared to the solid metal used in previous models. The new Nano TIM is not only more effective, but also moves heat faster to the vapor chamber. The vapor chamber, or VC, acts as a powerful thermal spreader. In the past, the VC rested on the PCB. But as smartphone batteries became bigger, the PCB got smaller. So our engineers had to find a different location for the VC to maximize heat diffusion. The new vapor chamber is designed to cover the area from the AP to the battery, enabling a more efficient heat transfer. It's made of a new, double-bonded stainless steel that's pressed in a way that allows the VC to stay thin and cover more area, while also being more durable under pressure. From the vapor chamber, the heat moves to the graphite spreading sheet, which diffuses heat horizontally away from the vapor chamber. The improvements made to each part of our heat solution, combined with our thermal management software, which optimizes each operation to control heat, enable the Galaxy S22 Ultra to rapidly dissipate heat, effectively cooling your phone. Freedom without limitations. Samsung is always pursuing that goal. And with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, we're one step closer.
The Galaxy S22 Ultra is full of pioneering technology that can help you explore the world your way and capture all the incredible things you encounter along the way. To tell you more about the Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera experience, please welcome Wanjun Choi.
Thank you, Drew. We have made incredible progress in mobile camera technology over the past decade. And we did it all for our creative consumers like you. Because we believe that everyone should be able to share their unique point of view with the world. And that all starts with the Galaxy camera experience, one that is always evolving to match your ever-changing needs. As cameras evolved and became more central to the smartphone experience, the industry raced to achieve maximum resolution. We all pushed forward to improve the quality of photos and videos without sacrificing the size and form factor of a smartphone. And Samsung ran ahead of the pack, introducing an 8K video and a 108 megapixel photo camera in a device that fits in your pocket. This camera produced a vivid 108 megapixel image using a remosaic algorithm to remap pixels into a conventional RGB pattern. Now, the Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera uses adaptive pixel to merge multiple frames into one. It combines a detailed 108 megapixel image with a non-abaining 12 megapixel image with a more light. This combination creates an optimally bright 108 megapixel image, providing crisp resolution throughout the day. But of course, the camera experience isn't only about resolution. We know that photographers enjoy switching between different lenses to capture different focal lengths. Our designers and engineers combined powerful software with a powerful hardware to introduce a quadruple lens camera with 100 times space zoom, setting yet another industry standard, expanding the kind of content you can create and putting the creative power firmly in your hands. And today, Samsung is elevating the camera experience once again with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, our most powerful AI camera yet. At the heart of our innovation is the AI engine, a neural processing unit capable of deep learning. Deep learning powers some incredible backend technologies that use intelligence to elevate image quality. Like our detail enhancer, which renders objects or scenes it recognizes with more accuracy. Amazing things happen any time of the day, but the lighting isn't always ideal, like in the evening. So we made it our mission to help you capture your favorite moments, whether you are shooting by day or in the dark of night. Introducing Nightography.
Le Bleu. That brief moment when the sun is about to set, known as the blue hour. It's a beautiful moment that many of us try to capture, but struggle to, because low light environments present a challenge for most smartphone cameras. To capture a clear image in a dim setting, enough light must reach and be absorbed by the camera's image sensor. Galaxy S22 Ultra is equipped with a 2.4 micrometer large pixel sensor that takes in more light and has an anti-reflective nano coating on the glass and lens, so that light can travel to the image sensor with fewer reflections. This allows for crisp photos and videos with minimal flare, even at night. All of these hardware improvements, when combined with optimized software, help deliver incredible nightography found only on Galaxy S22 Ultra. When taking photos in low light, Night Solution kicks in. It uses multi-frame processing to capture a series of images in an instant, removing frames that have noise or blur. Then, it merges the remaining frames into a single clear shot and uses an AI-powered ISP algorithm that enhances the object's true shape, color tone, and details. Night Solution also works with portrait mode, tele-lens with 3x optical zoom, and the front camera for selfies. That means gorgeous photos of you and your friends, day or night. A video is made up of multiple frames captured in quick succession. In dim environments, a slower shutter speed helps the image sensor capture more light. But this also makes the camera more sensitive to camera shakes, resulting in blurry footage. To provide clear and stable night video, Galaxy S22 Ultra employs an intricate dual-track image stabilization solution with OIS and VDIS. OIS compensates for camera shakes by physically moving the lens in the opposite direction of the motion. Galaxy S22 Ultra's OIS hardware has a 58% wider corrective angle compared to its predecessors, which allows the camera to neutralize larger shakes for smooth recording. VDIS uses software to compensate for the camera's movements across X, Y, and Z coordinates. With 4 times the motion sampling frequency, VDIS provides faster and more accurate magnitude and direction analysis. Galaxy S22 Ultra combines these two stabilization technologies to more accurately correct distortions. Together, they calculate optimal corrective values and adjust shaky frames one by one, resulting in smooth video even in low light. To capture brighter videos at night, Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera automatically changes the frame rate between different FPS in response to subtle changes in lighting. That means the lens gets more light, providing optimal exposure. When the frame rate drops below 24 FPS, Super Night Solution synthesizes up to 12 frames with the best details as you film, bringing you bright and detailed results even in low light. Epic moments happen around the clock, and dim lighting should never hold you back. From the blue hour to the dark of night, Galaxy S22 Ultra helps you capture every moment.
With the Galaxy S22 series, we're enabling you to freely create and express yourself through photos and videos, day or night. We're giving you more advanced functions like Pro Mode. It's a truly professional camera experience that even an amateur photographer like myself can take advantage of. In Pro Mode, you can manually adjust your shutter speed, ISO, manual focus, and white balance. And with S22, for the first time, Pro Mode gives you the choice to extend these powerful capabilities to all of your lenses, including its 2 incredible telephoto lenses, providing 3 times and 10 times optical zoom.